Yo, no way. Guys, we get some new codes. We actually got the brand new update codes right here. They've actually added the monk. They've actually added the monk. And into this video, we'll be going over and sharing every single new working code with you right now that you can actually redeem for a lot of lucky spins, a lot of free cash. Let's go ahead and straight to the codes, okay? Straight to the codes. But first, guys, if you do need a extra slot, comment down below the monk. The monk. If you come out the monk, you'll be able to get yourself an extra slot. So make sure you guys comment down below the monk. The monk. Look, just like that, The monk. Monk. Anyways, guys, the first code that you want to redeem in Blue Lock will be ISTS and another I. Okay, so we got ISITS exclamation point 2BV. Okay, so it's 2 billion visits. 2 billion visits code. Make sure you guys redeem this code for a lot of lucky spins. You can easily get yourself some free lucky spins right now. But you have to be level 10, okay? You do have to be level 10, otherwise it won't go through. The next code will be the monk. The monk. Oh my god, the monk. The monk exclamation point right there. The monk code. So, if you didn't already like the video, guys, subscribe. You can actually get yourself a bunch of free slots. The next code is going to be the GOAT. 1.8 million. Igaguri. They've actually added the Buddha, okay? The Buddha monk Igaguri. Igaguri is in the game and you can actually get it right now. Must be level 10. Must be level 10, huh? Must be level 10. Well, guys. We don't need to be level 10. Because, like the video, subscribe.